Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. Today our topic is profit and loss. So to understand this topic, let's take a small example. Consider you are a shopkeeper and you purchased a product worth rupees 400 and you sold it for rupees 440. So as you purchased this product, this is called cost price. It is simply termed as CP, and as you sold this product for rupees 440, this is called selling price and simply termed as SP. If SP is greater than CP, then it is profit or gain. If CP is greater than SP, then it is loss. Profit. For profit, the formula is SP minus CP. So for this product, we got a profit worth 440 minus 400. That is equal to 40 rupees. For loss, we know that for loss, always CP will be greater. So CP minus SP. This is for the loss. To obtain, there are some basic formulas such as profit percent, or we can call it as gain percent. That is equal to total profit by cost price into 100. And also it is a formula for loss percent. That is equal to loss by CP into 100. And also if SP is given and gain percent is given, to find out the CP, there is a formula, that is SP by CP is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100. Or if loss is given, then if loss is given, then SP by CP is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100. So these are the basic formulas we have to remember in order to do these problems. So here in this first question, it is given as Arun buys an article for rupees 25 and sells it for rupees 30. Find his gain percent. So the cost price of an article is 25 and selling price SP is equal to rupees 30. We know that gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 30 minus 25. That is equal to 5. So gain percent formula is gain by CP into 100. The total gain is 5 by the cost price of an article is 25 into 100. 25 fourths, that is equal to 5 fourths 20. So the gain percent is equal to 20. So in the second question, it is given as Dinesh bought a book for rupees 200 and his gain percent is 25%. Find selling price. They have given CP is equal to 200, that is cost price, and gain percent is equal to 25%. We know that SP by CP is equal to 100 plus gain percent by 100. This is the formula. SP by cost price is 200 is equal to 100 plus 25 by 100. That is equal to SP by 200 is equal to 125 by 100. 25 fours, 25 fives. SP is equal to 5 by 4 into 200. 4 50s. So SP is equal to 5 50s, 250. So the selling price of book is 250 rupees. Here in this third question, it is given as Vishnu sold book for rupees 26.40 with a profit of rupees 10%. If it were sold for 24.24, then what would have been the percentage of profit or loss? So split this question into two parts. First, Vishnu sold book for 26.40, so selling price is equal to 26.40, and profit percent is given as 10%, so gain percent is equal to 10%. So we don't know the cost price. So first of all, we should find the cost price in order to solve this second part of the question. So we know the formula, SP by CP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100. SP is 26.40 by cost price is, we have to find that, and 100 plus gain percent is 10 by 100. That is equal to 26.40 by CP is equal to 110 by 100. 0 gets cancelled. CP is equal to 26.4 into 10 by 11. That is equal to CP is equal to 264 by 11. That is equal to 11 to 22, 4, 4, 24. So cost price is 24. So we got cost price as 24. Now see the second part of question. Then they are telling if it was sold for rupees 24.24. So if it sold for rupees 24.24, then what would be the percentage of profit or loss? So as you know, now selling price is greater than CP. So obviously it is profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is equal to 24.24 minus 24. That is equal to 0.24. And they are also asking to find the percentage of profit. That is equal to gain percent is equal to profit. Profit by CP into 100. That is equal to 0.24, and the cost price is 24. Okay. Into 100. 0.24 is 100 times and 100 1 times. So the gain percent is 1%. So here in this fourth question it is given as if the cost price is 75% of selling price, then what is the profit percent? Let SP selling price be 100, then cost price is 75% of selling price, means 75 by 100 into selling price. That is equal to 75 by 100 into SP is given, SP we took as 100, so CP is 75 rupees. He is asking about profit percent. So first of all we should find profit, SP minus CP, that is equal to 100 minus 75, that is equal to 25. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit is 25 by cost price is 75 into 100. 25 ones, 25 threes, 33.33. So the profit percent is 33.33%. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Aptitude Tricks channel. If you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box.